Hey you guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. It means a lot to me, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So now talking about today's look. From the last few days I have been playing with only colorful looks, glittery looks, glam look and whatnot. So today I thought like let me take a break from those colorful glam look and let me do something using the color brown, some nudes, some pastel colors and whatnot. So today I'm up with this particular look. For achieving this particular look only I have used some shades of brown and nothing else. So yeah, this is my entire look. And talking about like the base makeup, if you want to know how I achieved this base makeup look, which I have not incorporated in this particular video because I didn't want it to be stretchy long. So yeah, I have done my base makeup and I have uploaded it on my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @boolumi_mimi. So from there you can check it out. And if you want to know how I achieved this particular eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So now as you can already see that I'm done with my base, so I'll quickly go and start with my eye makeup. And to start my eye makeup, first I will be prepping my eyelid. To prep my eyelids, I will be using my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer. It's in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I'm just going to use this as my eye primer today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this directly and put like 2-3 dots onto my eyelids, and I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'm just going to blend it. And to blend it I can use you can use like a brush or a beauty sponge, whatever you like. You can use your fingers too, because all these three work amazingly. So today for a change I am going to use my brush, but generally I prefer using my sponge. So first I am just going to like dab this with my concealer brush, and I will be leaving everything down here like into this portion of the screen, so that you can see what products and what brushes I'm using while going through the video. So yeah, that's it. So today I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder, which is this one. It's in the shade NC35 because I am a MAC NC35 person. So I'm just going to use this to set my concealer. And before setting my concealer, I am just going to go in with the brush once again to eliminate any kind of creasing or anything which might have happened because of me opening my eyes. So I'm just like going to keep it like that, and I'm just going to dab the powder or the pressed powder, my MAC Studio Fix powder, like this. So now this eye is complete, so I'm just going to do the same thing onto this eye. First I'm just going to dab it with my concealer with my sponge, and then going with the powder, taking it onto my sponge, I am just going to dab so that it locks in everything and everything is sealed, permanent and complete. Today the palette which I'm going to use primarily is going to be my James Charles eyeshadow palette, which is this one over here, and I'm just going to use this. And now I am going to dig in with the first color, and the first color which I'm going to go and dig in is going to be so it's going to be, you know, like this one over here, and this cool toned brown color, which is very much near to like a darkest like brown and black color. So I'm just going to take this one onto a brush, like a small pencil brush like this. It's a Sigma E30 brush. So I'm just going to take this onto my brush, and then I'm just going to put this onto my crease. Yeah, I'm not starting with my transition as I always do, but today I thought like let's go something different, you know, let's do something different. So I'll start with my crease and then I will go up high towards my transition. So here what I'm doing is I'm pulling it a little bit inwards towards my inner corner, and I am like dragging it up, and I have created a nice winged effect onto the outer corner. So now when I am done with putting that dark brown shade and making that smoky outer V and pulling it out towards the inner corner a little bit, so I'm just going to go and grab the next eyeshadow, and the next color is also going to be from my James Charles palette, and the next color is going to be so next color is going to be this one, which is a bit lighter than that one. So I'm just using this color over here to diffuse this dark black color and to create that transitioning effect. And to do that, I'm just going to take my brush, dip it into this shadow over here and dusting off the excess. And this is my PAC 389 brush, and dusting off the excess, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend it in a circular and windshield wiper motion. So I'm like taking that color and diffusing the dark brown color onto this portion. Now at this point, when I'm done with diffusing that color with the light brown color, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab, like this color from the palette and taking a fluffy blending brush like this, which is PAC 204 brush, and taking this color over here, I'm just going to tap it and blend whatever it's there on my eyes so that it gives like a very nice and diffuse. So this is going to be the last color for my transition, so I'm just like going to be very patiently diffusing it up in a circular and windshield wiper motion. So now when I'm done with putting that light brown color, which was this one, onto my transition, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like grab this color over here, which is this one. This is another shade of brown. Pack this color onto like this outer V of my eyes, like little bit towards the inner side, and I'm like placing it towards the inner portion of my eyes, like starting from the outer and then towards the middle, from the outer towards the middle. So now at this point, when I'm done with putting that brown shade from the outer corner towards the middle edge and like onto like this portion, what I'm going to do is I'm just quickly cut my crease. And to cut my crease today, as usual, I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is this one. It's in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I'm just going to use this one today to cut my crease. Now at this point, when I'm done with cutting my crease, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same James Charles eyeshadow palette and taking like this two particular color over here, which I have never used so far. So like taking this two color over here on a flat brush like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this one and like literally I'm just going to pack this onto my crease, like my cut crease, and that's it. So I'm just like doing that. So now at this point, when I'm done with cutting my crease and putting those two colors onto my crease, what I'm going to do is I am just going to put on some like a tiny bit of a glitter shade onto like the junction where the dark brown and the cut crease is meeting, like this portion, a little bit onto this portion of my eyes. And to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my Oh Honey palette by Colourpop Cosmetics, and from this particular palette. So first, basically I was thinking of going with like this one over here, but then I found like this is not actually showing up, so I felt like I should go on with this one, this like super glittery shade. And this is this one. This is called Pelosa. So I am just going to take this onto my brush like this, and I'm just going to place it onto this area. So as you guys can see already that I have got some fallouts onto the brown, which I'm cleaning with the brush which I used earlier. So now when I'm done with everything, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some liner, and for my liner today I'm going to use my NYX Epic ink liner, which is this one. So I'm just going to use this and draw a nice winged liner. Now at this point, when I'm done with that glitter shade, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some mascara, and for my mascara today I'm using my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, which is this one, and I'm just going to coat my lashes, but I have already curled my lashes using my curling wand. So yeah, this is it, and oops, sorry. So yeah, this is it. So now when I'm done with putting on the mascara, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go behind the camera, complete this particular eye, and for my falsies I will be using my MAC M71 lashes, which are this one. So I'm just going to hop this on, complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies and completing this eye and putting on some lipstick. So the only thing which I'm left right now is going to be some highlighter, and for my highlighter today I'm going to use my Oprah highlighter. It's in the shade Redo Dry, which is this one. So I'm just going to use this on my face for some glow. So as you can see, I have taken some onto the brush, and I'm just like going to gently put it onto my high points of my face. Ooh. That's like something, you know. So yeah, now I'm done with putting my highlighter. So this is my entire look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next year with yet another interesting video. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.